Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Bem-vindos. If you're new here, my name is Vilma and today I'm going to be doing a different type of video. I wanted to show you guys how I have somewhat redecorated my room and the setup and how it actually looks. It's what I use for my videos. This is the background that you guys see all the time, but I keep it quite simple. And very recently I got rid of a bunch of clothes. I have my fall clothes out and I've been here for over a year and a half in this flat, and I wanted to add a little bit more of a feminine touch by adding some wall art. So I have some posters that I'm going to show you guys from Diseño, who kindly sponsored this video. Thank you so much. I am super honored because I was searching for posters for ages. I went through several different websites and Diseño is the one that has the best posters for me, for my style, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you will find amazing posters on there. So I have a 25% code, a discount code for you guys in the info bar below, and I'm going to put the name that you guys need to use, which is Vilma Martins, all in capital letters. And this discount code is only valid for 3 days from the day that I post this video, so keep that in mind when you're watching this video. If you watch in the same day or the following day or on the third day, you can still use that discount code. They have amazing posters. Now, going back to where I'm going to put these, I'm going to put them possibly on this wall right here, which used to have a huge TV. I also want to put one on top of my unit here just to add a little bit more style for my backgrounds in my videos. I'm still painting this wall over here. I wanted to have a more bright white, like with a little silk finish with silk finish. This wall needs a little bit of plastering, but I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm not going to do that right now. I should have done it in the summer. I'll probably do it next year, but I like having my room just in white. So I have a white canvas all over my bedroom, but it just needs a silk finish. So I'm going to start with this wall right here, which is where I want to put the posters. So of course I'm going to show you a before, which is right now. When you come in, this is what you see. My bedroom is quite bright, and I put my bed against the wall or the window because it gave me a lot more space when I come in, and I have a lot more space to film as well. When you turn over here, you have my clothing rail, which currently has pieces from Uniqlo, which is a haul that I'm going to upload before this video, so make sure to check it out. Then you have my wardrobe, which is open. I'm thinking of maybe covering it with a white curtain. Let me know. That's something that I've been thinking about. I don't like the doors. I got rid of the doors. But I'm thinking of covering it maybe with a white curtain or creamish curtain. I think that would look nice. Then over here I have my chest of drawers, which I only keep those things up there. Besides my camera, of course, it shouldn't be there. And I want to put a frame right behind that. Then when you turn this way, that's where I have my vanity. Of course, you see this massive wall that doesn't have anything, and that's why I want to put some wall art over there, because I think it's going to add so much more character to my bedroom. And then over here, of course, as mentioning before, I have my vanity. It's super long. I'm thinking of getting something a little bit smaller, but for the time being, I think it works really well over here. I have a small TV which needs to go up on the wall. That's my balcony. But yeah, the layout is kind of weird, but it works okay for me right now. And hello, that's my outfit for today. But yeah, this is the before. So I'm going to go and move along to when I'm putting my frames on the wall. So I'm on my bedroom floor and I'm getting ready to open this box. I'm so excited to see my frames. Please excuse the noise in the background. My daughter's in the sitting room with her dad watching a movie, so more than likely you will be hearing noises here and there. But let's get started, shall we? So as you can see, I have frames in different sizes. The biggest one is at the bottom. I'm really excited about that one because, as mentioned, I want to put that one on top of my chest of drawers and then the other ones on this wall. But here you go. I have a really small frame here, which is super cute. Can't fully remember which picture I chose to go on here. But yeah, I'm super excited. Let's have a look at the posters. So I've taken the frames all out of the box and the posters are inside this black pouch, which looks awesome. I was expecting it to come in a completely different way, but this is so much better. Really well packaged, I would say. And it says, "There is art inside by Diseño." So I got 7 frames in total, and this is kind of like a layout that you could actually have. That's not how I'm going to have it, but you could definitely. This one is so big. I'm so excited about that one. And yeah, I wanted to give you guys an overview before I put the posters inside. So something really cool that they've done, which I think is super smart, is that each little frame has a protective film that you need to remove. And it just kind of like peels off if I can grab it again. But I'm not going to do that on camera because it's going to be super annoying. And another thing that is very, very smart is that the frame, or this, is not glass. It's made of plastic. So if the frame was to fall off the wall, God forbid it does, no one's going to get cut because it's not going to break and shatter everywhere like glass would do. So this is super smart. Here is an overview before I put the frames on the wall of the posters that I chose. This one is a little bit more artistic and I'm really happy about that. I didn't keep everything black and white. I have some flowers here, which I love. And of course, I had to choose this one, which is relating to fashion. And then this one over here has a beautiful saying. It says, "Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will start to change." And I totally believe that. Now, the discount code, before I forget, the 25% discount that you guys have does not apply to frames nor hand-picked personalized prints. So I wanted to say that before you guys go on there and choose something by using the discount code. So let's put these frames on the wall, shall we? So we have finally made it. All the pictures are on the wall. My bedroom setup is so much nicer at the moment. I'm so in love with how everything looks. It's very simple, but very, very much me. And the pictures just add a little bit more character and a touch of a feminine touch to my bedroom, which is very important to me as a woman and also as a fashion blogger. So that I don't blob too much, let me just show you the layout and how the pictures look. So when you come in, this is the layout at the moment. Not very different from before, but definitely a lot more organized and a lot more natural and flowy. I'm going to start with my bed, and I'm going to talk to you guys about the cushions and the bedding and all of that. So the bedding that I have here is just IKEA, which I love, and the cushions, the majority of them are also from IKEA, besides the Fuzzy Wuzzy over here and this long one. They're from Wilkinson's. I've had them for a while, but they work so well together with the pink and blush tones from the cushions. This throw that I have right here is from a market, and most markets here in London, they actually sell stuff like this. It was only £20. I've had it for a good few years. It's perfect just to decorate my bed, and it's perfect as a throw over when it's really cold in the winter. If I move this way, you guys can see my vanity, which is still in the same place. It's perfect to stay right over there because I have a lot of light coming from both this window and the door to my balcony. I wanted to keep it here in the corner because it just saves space and it just looks really, really nice. It's really nice. It's a confined space. I'm going to look for a smaller stool, but at the moment this is the one that I have, and I'm also going to put a bigger mirror, but for the time being this is how it's working out for me, and it's working perfectly fine. Now moving on to these gorgeous plants that I have. This one right here is from IKEA on my last trip over there, and the basket is from H&M. The other one is from Lidl, and the basket is also from H&M, and they look really nice over here next to the radiator. They are real plants, so more than likely I will separate them a little bit more so they don't get burned in the winter when I put the radiator on. And then you have my frames. I chose to put on this wall the smallest ones, so I have 6 in total, and I am so in love with the layout of these frames. It just looks so good together. Let me just move back a little bit so you guys can see or have a better view of how they look. And then moving right along to the last and biggest frame that I got from this video, which is this gorgeous artistic frame. I believe this one is a hand-picked one. I think that's how it's called, which is super gorgeous. I am so happy that I ordered this one to be in the background of my videos, because if you are new here, this is going to be, every time I do any fashion related videos, this frame will be in it because that's what I use as my background. It's my vanity and my wardrobe. So this will work super well in my videos. So guys, that is it for today's video. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check the info bar below for the discount code of 25% off from Posters on their website. Make sure to follow all the information I've already given throughout the video so that you're able to purchase things that you like. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on my next one.